Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video on YouTube, and in this video I will provide you all the practical solutions of Biology Practical Notebook Standard 12. This is of Maharashtra State Board for session 2020 and 2021. So let's see the first page of the book. So on the first page there is index. Here is the index page, and on the second page there is also index for B part. Okay, let's move on. Okay, this is our first experiment. On page number 5 it is. So we will see the experiment. There is study of osmosis by potato osmoscope. So here is the aim: to study the process of osmosis using potato osmoscope. We have not to fill the date. College will provide all the dates, so leave it. Then we will see requirement. This is the requirement: a fresh potato, peeler or scalpels, petri dish, bowls, troughs, shallow glass, beakers, pin, concentrated sugar solution, colored water, etc. Okay, here is the principle. We have to not write anything in this. So next to it there is a figure number A is fully filled, and we have to label the figure number B and complete the diagram. So we will draw here some water, and here also some water, but the level in the petri dish will be lower, but in the osmoscope it will be high. Okay, and we have to write here: increase in level of sucrose solution due to osmosis. Here is the petri dish or bowl, and label this as a peeled lateral side of a potato, and this potato osmoscope. This is the sugar solution and colored solution. So move on. There is a procedure: take up fresh potato tuber and peel off the skin with the help of scalpel. So it is up to 6. We have also not tried to write here anything. Then there is observation 1 and 2. Okay, this is on the page number 5. Just on the page number 5 we have to complete the diagram and label it. So moving on our page number 6, here are the some inferences and some question and answers. Okay, we have to answer all these questions. So let's start from the inferences. It is we have to write here. Inferences means conclusion, so we have to write here the conclusion of the experiment. We'll write: rise in level of sugar solution and presence of colored solution. Potato osmoscope indicates that potato act as a semi-permeable membrane, due to which water from the petri dish along with the color enters in the cavity of potato osmoscope. So next to it there are questions. We will write first question, that is: potato is used to prepare an osmoscope justify. So the answer is: demonstration of osmosis in a living system can be done using potato osmoscope. Peeled potato act as a semi-permeable membrane that allows water to flow from lower concentration to higher concentration. This is the answer of the first question. And then there is second question, that is: define permeability. So the answer is: permeability refers to the ease with which molecule crosses biological membrane is called as permeability. Then there is third question, that is: define osmotic pressure. So we will write: the pressure that must be applied to the solution side to stop fluid movement when a semi-permeable membrane separates a solution from pure water. This is the answer of the third, that is: define osmotic pressure. Then there is fourth question, that is: do you find any role of osmosis in water purification? So the answer is: reserve osmosis, that is RO, is a water treatment process that removes contaminants from water by using pressure to force water molecule through semi-permeable membrane. This is the answer of the fourth question. This is all of the page number 6. Then we will move on page number 7. There is a fifth question, that is: osmosis plays important role in stomatal movement, explain. So the answer is: opening and closing of stomata takes place due to change in turgor pressure of guard cell. In daytime, guard cell become turgid due to endoosmosis, and in night time guard cell become flaccid due to exosmosis. This is the answer of the fifth question. Then afterwards there are MCQs. So we have to also write all the answer of the MCQs. First MCQ is, in living cell an osmosis specially refers to the movement. Answer is C, diffusion of water. Then second question is, the direction and rate of osmosis is controlled by. Answer is C, pressure gradient and concentration gradient. Next the question is third, that is, the structure that contributes to the solute potential of a cell is. Answer is C, water. Next question number 4 is, osmotic potential refers to. Answer is A, movement of water molecule from hypotonic solution to hypertonic solution. Next the question is fifth, that is, which of the following is not semi permeable. So the answer is A, parchment paper. Next there is question number 6, that is, which acid is used to extract egg membrane. So the answer is acetic acid. These are all the answer from the page number 7.